Yo, what's good guys? Welcome back to another video. So this video is basically, let's say subscriber request, or because personally I feel like I have dropped this strategy a couple of times on my channel, but yet, the strategy seems to be profitable. So a lot of people fully wants to understand it, and that's why I'm basically doing this video. Just to recap the massive trade, the massive 100 plus pip trade that we just caught. And of course, I caught this live with my Telegram members, and everybody made profit. And a lot of people were like, please, just show us what are the confirmations you used to see one more time before, so they can actually start making profit to themselves. So without further ado, before wasting much of your time, let's just head to the chart so I can just break this down to your understanding, and hopefully, we all get this. So without further ado, let's go. If you guys miss this, don't let it be as if I didn't tell you guys. FastBull trading competition is going to be starting, as you guys can see, about 10 days from now. 10 days from now. And like I told you guys, there's over $20,000 up for grab. First winner is going to be going away with $10,000. Second, 5K. Third is going to be going away with 3K. And of course, you can still be among the top 10 winners. All you just have to do is when you get to this tab, you see register right here. Because I've registered, it's currently showing registered. After registering, you'll be given your own trading account, which you can log into the FastBull trading platform. So you'll be giving your login details with a total sum of $100,000 to trade for the competition. So after a particular time frame, the person with the top 10 traders with the highest account balance are the ones that are going to win the prize money. One fascinating feature about FastBull is the Q&A expert. Many of you don't know about this, but this is one of the best tab right here, my personal best, because at this tab you can easily go through number of questions a lot of beginner traders or even advanced traders have asked. So a lot of traders, of course, find problems or having issues in the forex market, and you can just easily go to this Q&A expert, type the questions that you want to ask. Let's take for instance, you want to ask how many trades a day is advisable. You can type that and put your question out there. A lot of advanced traders will look at this question and give their best response and what they think is suitable for you. Follow the link in description to sign up with FastBull. Alright guys, so you guys know that this strategy is basically the 3 o'clock strategy, like we all named it, but of course that doesn't mean we shouldn't pay attention to some kind of stuff the market gives us, right? So this was before I called the buy, right? So before I called the buy, price was giving a kind of bullish trend vibe. Price was in an uptrend, and as well, price was kind of following a trend right here, trend direction. So if you head down to the 15 minutes, you guys can see that I literally connected this trend line with my wicks. And of course, you can still extend it. Price might still come back, tap here again, and continue buying. It might likely happen, right? So, of course, you pay attention to the 3 o'clock. So I've set my time to Lagos, Nigeria time. So my own 3 p.m. now is not 3 p.m. because I think some people were complaining in the previous video that I should just set my time. So I've set it now. My 3 p.m. is now 3 p.m. So 3 p.m. of course, is 15:00. And if I should, let me go down to 5 minutes. Let me go down to 5 minutes. So this signal was dropped, I think 5 minutes, 5 minutes after trade. So if I head down to my Telegram channel, so our signal was dropped. Where was the signal drop? I sent it. Okay, yeah, buy signal. As you guys can see, buy gold, buy XAUUSD, which was around 3:06 p.m. So I called a buy around 3:06 p.m. and this was when I took my entry as well. So if you guys look closely, I paid attention to what price just literally gave me after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes past 3. So this was when 3 reached. Right here. And then 3 gave us this bullish candlestick, this bullish candle momentum. Immediately I just saw that I felt like this is already one confirmation already. And of course, price tapped in here, weak rejection, tapped in here, weak rejection, tapped in here, weak rejection. Another bullish confirmation again. 5 minutes 5 minutes past 3, and that was what made me literally call that buy trade. That 3 p.m. move that usually used to happen. So I told you guys that you guys can be patient and wait to see what happens. 5 minutes past 3. See the candlestick that form. Is it going to give you a bullish, this thing?
a bullish bias or a bearish bias. That could serve as one confirmation. And if you head back to Monday too, I don't trade on Mondays, but let's see what happened on Monday. So I think this was, yeah, this was yesterday, yeah, the 14th of October. So this was Monday, right? So this was when 3 reach. I think 3 reach, yeah, this was when 3 reach. And you guys can see that before 3 sale, there was a kind of like a sell momentum, and then 3 reach and gave this what? This bearish candlestick. Just imagine, after this bearish candlestick, you take your entry again, you probably put your SL somewhere right here, and you get a 1 to 2. Even though Monday are usually tricky or the likes, but at the end of the day, what 3 gave was what literally happened after 3 p.m. So 3 p.m., that 3 p.m. kind of serve as a confirmation. Sometimes the move might be larger, and sometimes, I mean, if you're a swing trader, you guys will see that this kind of like even got you want to fall. That's if you're a long-term holder. But at the end of the day, I was able to catch about 1.5 right from this particular buy trade, which was, I mean, beautifully done. A lot of people were making profits, and at the end of the day, we were able to secure massive profit. So without further ado, I hope you guys understand this. I mean, it's not as hard as it seems. It's very simple. You don't need to stress yourself or be biased. And of course, I don't only follow that like you guys think. I don't only follow this 3 p.m. stuff I'm talking about. So you might want to consider the market trend sometimes, and you might want to consider other technical analysis. So hope you guys now get it. And if you are still confused, if you want to ask any question, make sure you drop it down in the comment section. And let's go.
So that's it, guys. It's basically as simple as that. I mean, I think with my experience in Forex, I think that is what literally made me kind of like come to realize that, you know what, this chart is not, should not be taken as hard. Of course, it can be very difficult, it can be very challenging, but it's not that too difficult, so you shouldn't take it. I think if you take it strongly, it will take you back strongly. When you calm down, relax, have a particular strategy, pinpoint what and what should be done when is necessary. I think trading will even be more fun to you, and at the end of the day, you will definitely become a profitable trader. So without further ado, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will be leaving you guys here. And then I'll see you guys again.